Hello students, today we are going to start with another very important cell organelle which is found in our cell, and that is known as mitochondria. Okay, to start with mitochondria, I have made a very basic image of mitochondria. It consists of outer inner membrane with matrix inside, and can you just make out some finger like projections? We'll come to it in the next slide. Okay, let's start. See, mitochondria is basically a rod-shaped cell organelle. This is also double membrane. Can you just see? It is also a double membrane structure. ठीक है, दो membranes पाए जाते हैं यहाँ पर भी. The outer membrane is smooth and porous, whereas the inner membrane is folded into large number of finger-like structures called cristae. Now, if I move into the other slide, here you can make out the outer membrane. This is the outer membrane. Over here it is tagged outer membrane, which is smooth. Okay, there isn't any projections or anything like that. Whereas inner membrane की अगर हम बात करें तो inner membrane are having numerous finger-like projections. ठीक है. These finger-like projections are known as cristae. Okay, these are known as cristae. Now what happens at cristae? Cristae increases the surface area of inner membrane for various metabolic reactions to occur. Now this folding is there to increase the surface area of the inner membrane because it has all the enzymes and all the components which are responsible to carry out various types of metabolic reactions. Now which metabolic reactions we are talking about will come to be you will get to know when we move to the other slides. You'll come to know which metabolic reactions we are talking about. फिलहाल आप इतना जानें कि क्रिस्टी का पर्पस क्या है? To increase the surface area of the inner membrane. Okay, and you can just make out there is some granular fluid inside which is known as matrix. So all these four labelings are clear, and within those two membranes the space is known as intermembrane space. Okay, the fluid which is inside the matrix, mitochondria, is known as matrix. Now this mitochondria is known as powerhouse of cell. Why is it called powerhouse of cell? Because it is having all kinds of enzymes which are necessary for the oxidation of food and generation of energy in the form of ATP molecules. Okay, why is it called powerhouse? Because that cristae, the metabolic reactions which we were talking about, are these metabolic reactions which are carried out by the enzymes, that is bringing the oxidation of food. Food को oxidize किया जाता है ताकि food से हमें energy मिल सके. Energy को यहाँ पे generate किया जाता है और ये energy हमारी body में store होती है किस form में? In the form of ATP. Now since it is generating energy, so it is known as powerhouse of cell. So why is it mitochondria known as powerhouse of cell? Because here we are generating energy by using enzymes for oxidation of food, and this energy which is generated is stored in the form of ATP molecules.